Stop. If you're thinking about buying NanoCanvas AI, something you need to know first. Stop wasting money on designers, stop paying for stock images, and stop struggling with Photoshop. Because what if I told you, you can create jaw-dropping, professional images in just 10 seconds, using only text, like ChatGPT, and even sell them for profit? Sounds insane, right? Well, this tool might completely replace Photoshop, MidJourney, and even designers. In this video, I'm going to give you a full honest review of NanoCanvas AI, show you how it works, what you get, and whether it's actually worth your money, or just another hype product. And yes, I've also included a massive fast action bonus you don't want to miss. Before we continue, if you decide to get NanoCanvas AI, make sure you grab it through the link in the description, because I'm giving you a bundle of premium AI tools worth over $1,000 plus, only available for a limited time. What is NanoCanvas AI? NanoCanvas AI is a cloud-based AI image creation platform powered by Google's Nano Banana 2 technology. It lets you turn simple text into images, graphics, mockups, and social media visuals in seconds. No templates, no design skills, no learning curve. Just type what you want, and the AI creates it instantly. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. No Photoshop or design skills needed, no monthly fees, one-time payment, create unlimited images, 100% unique, royalty-free graphics and commercial license included. You can sell your designs. And the biggest advantage? You can start your own image creation agency and charge clients for designs, without doing actual design work. Inside NanoCanvas AI, you get text-to-image AI generator, image editing using prompts, remove, replace, enhance, object removal and addition. Background editing, 3D, cartoon, Pixar-style rendering and image quality enhancer. Plus, cloud-based system, works on phone, laptop, anything, built-in training and commercial license. This is basically like having Photoshop plus MidJourney plus DALL-E, all combined into one simple tool. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros: super beginner friendly, fast, 10 seconds results, no subscriptions, unlimited usage and can generate income. Cons: requires internet connection, results depend on your prompt quality and not 100% perfect for complex designs. But for a one-time price, this is honestly very powerful. Results: what to expect. You can create social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, ads and creatives, client designs and stock images. And even sell images on Fiverr, Upwork or your own store. But remember, this is not magic, you still need to take action. Now here's where things get crazy. If you grab NanoCanvas AI through my link, you get this fast action bonus. 100 plus premium paid ICE bundle, $1,119 plus value. You're getting access to tools like Nano Banana by Google, $250 per month. MidJourney Mega, $200 per month. DALL-E, $40 per month. Lensa AI, $60 per month. Claude 4 Sonnet Max, $100 per month. Copilot Pro, $250 per month. Gemini Ultra, $250 per month. Grok 4, $300 per month. ChatGPT Pro, $200 per month. Perplexity, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, plus 86 more AI tools. Total value, $1,119 plus yours free today. So, is NanoCanvas AI worth it? If you want fast image creation, no design skills required, no monthly payments or a simple way to make money online, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee. You literally have zero risk. So if you're serious, click the link in the description, Grab NanoCanvas AI and lock in all bonuses before they expire. This is not just another AI tool. This is your shortcut to turning ideas into income. The only question is, will you use it, or watch others profit from it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next review.